Hello there. Our weekend weather gradually deteriorating with winds strengthening. It was a great day for the kite surfers in Northern Ireland, as you can see quite clearly, but that wind indicating a change to come with heavy rain moving through Northern Ireland and Scotland. That's going to linger throughout the day on Monday. Elsewhere, it's a case of sunny spells and increasingly humid with it as well. So let's take a look at just what's happening. The rain all tied into this area of low pressure at the moment. So some wet and windy weather into Northern Ireland and Scotland, but with a southwesterly flow driving some pretty hot and humid air up from the near continent. Well, with any sunshine, it really is going to feel quite warm once again. But let's stick with that rain, because the brighter colours denoting the intensity of the rainfall, we could see as much as 2 to 3 inches of rain, and that could cause some localised issues before the system clears through. Eastern Scotland might start off bright and breezy with a few scattered showers, the rain arriving later on. 11 o'clock in the morning in Northern Ireland, the band of rain fairly intense but narrow. Cloudy conditions with some drizzle across northwest England and Wales. But to the east of the Pennines, that cloud should break up, and with that southerly flow, that's where we're likely to see the highest temperatures as we go through the afternoon. So the rain will push its way into Scotland. Here a maximum of 22 in Aberdeen, but we could see 26 across much of eastern England. That's 80 Fahrenheit. Now that frontal system will continue to brings a spell of heavy rain, maybe some thundery downpours as well, as it drifts its way south and east. And because it's been so humid during the day, it could be quite an uncomfortable night across England and Wales for getting a good night's sleep. Overnight lows around 16 or 17 degrees. But there will be further spells of heavy rain across parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia and South East England. Welcome news for the gardeners out there. We are starting to get a bit desperate. Behind it, brighter conditions with a few scattered showers into the far north and west. Here, noticeably fresher, 16 to 19 degrees, but 25 not out of the question on Tuesday afternoon in the southeast. That's 77 Fahrenheit. Low pressure set to return again on Wednesday and set to be sitting in a similar position. So another windy and wet day for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, I'm afraid. The rain fairly erratic as it pushes its way into eastern Scotland. Cloudier conditions through the day on Wednesday, but largely fine and dry for many across parts of England and Wales. Not quite as warm, highs between 15 and 23 degrees. Now, as we look further ahead, we're likely to continue to see that rain being an issue into the far north and west. So rainfall totals are going to start to accumulate this week. The darker the blues or the greens, the heaviest of the rain, we could see over 80 millimetres of rainfall in the far west of Scotland. Not that much in the way of notable rain across England and Wales. And that is because the areas of low pressure are likely to stay to the north. This weather front, almost a dividing line, tapping in to the high pressure and the heat moving its way across Europe. So we're likely to see the best of the drier, brighter and warmer weather across central and southern England. It stays cooler with the showers or longer spells of rain up into the far north and west. Of course, we will update you on developments when they arise.